Hey everybody, this is Melvin with TechRun 24/7, and in today's video we want to show you how to make your Apple Watch sparkle. And the way we're going to do that is replace your band with the Falandi Rhinestone band and diamond face cover. Look at the thing, isn't that beautiful? Let's get a closer look. Try to get it to where it's not reflecting off the light. But that is beautiful, the Falandi Rhinestone band and diamond face cover. Now you can pick this up off of Amazon. It only runs $26.99, and it comes in silver, which is what we see here. It comes in the rose gold, it comes in gold, and it comes in a black. So I thought this was a pretty nice band and wanted to replace my wife's band with something a little bit more pizzazz. And so I thought I'd pick this up and share this with you guys. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. So this is the 42 millimeter size band, and it will fit the Apple Watch Series 1, 2, and 3, and also the Nike Sports Edition. And so pulling that out real quick, because we have the band, we're gonna set that to the side, see what else was inside here. We have some paperwork here, and this is the instructions manual on how to work it. And so we're going to set that to the side there. Also here we have a little device to take out some links in the band if it's too big. So we're going to set that to the side too. And down here at the bottom, this is the diamond face cover. We'll pull that out real quick, get a little closer to the camera. Look at that, that is nice. And this just snaps right onto the top of your Apple Watch. So we're going to set that to the side too real quick and move the box over here. And we're going to pull the band out. And again, like I said, this is a 42 millimeter. Very inexpensive, but it's very nice, very unique in itself. Well, okay, so now we're going to grab our Apple Watch here. And as you can see, we have a red silicone band on it. So we're going to go ahead and first of all, let's get the watch band out of this. The Falandi Rhinestone band. We're going to pull it out, set that there. Then we're going to take our watch, Apple Watch here, and we're going to pull our band off. Well, okay, we've gotten off our red silicone band, and now we want to put on our new band. And so we're going to take our new watch band, and of course it has the regular tips, the bracket that goes onto our Apple Watch. And as we say, if it doesn't slide on there easily, then you putting it on wrong. So it should just slide in there, clamp into place. And so we're going to take the little bracket loose here at the bottom so we can put the other piece on easily. So pop that loose. And then we're going to go up here to the top side. So we got that into place. And now we can put it back together. And that looks nice, look at that. But we still need to put on the diamond face cover. Just easily fits over on top of there and clamps down like so. And there you go. That is very nice. Look at that. Get a little closer to the screen. That came out really well. And you can see how the cover fits over on that side, and it fits over on this other side where the buttons are. But that's very nice. That's the silver diamond face for the Falandi Rhinestone watch band. So this gives your watch a whole different look, whole different feel. I would say it's a whole lot nicer than the red silicone band. So that's about it for our video for today. How to make your Apple Watch sparkle. So hopefully we shared something that was beneficial and something that was interesting. If so, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and hit the bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with TechRun 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.